everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. It is time for the Advent calendar opening of 3 different Advent calendars. As you've been with me all month, we are on day 11. December 11th is just unbelievable that it's already December 11th. Anyway, we're going to open the Homeworx Winter Wonderland Advent calendar, 12 days of scent. We are on day 11. Iced pine needles, and then we're going to open the Diamond Press Advent calendar, and lastly we're going to open the Crystal Arts Advent calendar. So let me clean up my mess from before, and let me get candle 11 out of here. All right, let's take a smell of iced pine needles. This one smells good, you guys. Oh, I wish you could smell it. This one has the scents or notes of pine needles, fir balsam, cool peppermint, silver birch. I don't know what I'm smelling because I can't smell peppermint. Maybe I don't have a good smeller. But anyway, it does smell good. It sure enough does. So let's light this candle. Does anybody wish they were lighting candles for counting down to Christmas? Because this is really fun. All right, let's do it. Oh, it just so smells good. And again, that is iced pine needles with notes of pine needles, fir balsam, cool peppermint, silver birch. They must have some kind of scent detection, I'm telling you, with all of these. All right, we are going to be using the things from the Diamond Press Advent Calendar, but not in today's video. We're just going to open the door and see what kind of fun's behind day 11. So 11 is over here. So let me move that calendar. It's way over here. And it's hard for you to see, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, so let's see what's behind here. Do we have stencils again, or what do you think? Well, there we go. What do you think's in there? I think it might be oh, it's an embossing folder. And this embossing folder is flowers, like a vine. How pretty. That would be on a really pretty spring journal, wouldn't it? It's an embossing folder, and embossing folders are so fun and easy. You do have to use something hard to emboss with. If you have a machine, Diamond Press Marquee, something like that, a Gemini. You can also try using a mason jar. So if you haven't, try that. All right. Let's move on to the Crystal Arts Advent Calendar. Again, if you haven't seen what Crystal Arts are, these are the projects that we've done so far this month. And they're little projects like diamond painting with gems, and the ornament is what the base is for these. And they're just so cute and really easy, fun to do. So we're on day 11, and we're just going to open this up. I'm going to have to get my scissors again because it punches down in, but it doesn't come back up easy. So there we go. Oh, it's a stocking. How cute is that? So it is like diamond painting, if you've ever done that. You have a little pin to pick up all your gems. You have a little tray, and then they give you a little wax to put in the end of your little pen there so that you can pick up all the little gems easily. Now this one is really cute. It's a little shaped ornament, and it is a stocking. Anybody think it was going to be a stocking next? So the gems are numbered just like the numbers that are on the actual little stocking here. There's 3 different ones, and we're going to put them all on here. Now, if you've done this before, a number of you have done this. And so I don't want to just sit here and do it for you, but I will show you a few things. Ridges in this tray help the gems turn over the right way. If you need extra wax, you just put your little pen that comes with your kit, if you get one, and punch down in it, and it comes in there. There is a little cover sheet on your little project because the adhesive is already there. And you can just take your gem and just add it where the circle is for that number. And it's kind of like paint by number, but prettier. I don't know, maybe it isn't prettier, but it is more sparkly. At least it has gems. So I'm just going to do all the ones here, which are this crystal color. And then we'll move to the twos and I'll show you how that looks. All right, here is the number ones all done. And now I'm going to add the twos and the threes. All right, this is so stinking cute. If stinking cute is cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Look at that little stocking. All right, now the stocking is competing with the candy cane for me, right? Oh my goodness. Yeah, if you have a favorite, let me know. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow and we'll see what is behind door number 12.